morning we just had the most beautiful rainfall. Thought it might be a tropical storm, but it's starting to clear. Actually, not starting to clear. It's just the wind has died down and the rain has stopped. Beautiful, beautiful rainy day in Acapulco. Taking pictures of the sea, which looks like a lake right now. It's so calm. Earlier this morning, it was just crashing. You can see our different bird baths that are filled with water and our cascade coming down. Perfect place for all of our birds to drink fresh water. Birds, raccoons, you name it, it's here.
And I can't find the other. Oh, there it is. And if it shakes, it's because of my age. Hey.
Wish we had some birdies, but they're all hiding from the rain. Lots of hummingbirds though.